Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix your problem on not refreshing feed on Instagram. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up your Instagram app. After your Instagram app opens up on your phone, navigate to your profile, and on your profile page, click on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on the three lines, a menu will appear on your screen. On that menu, click on the settings option. After you click on the settings option, you'll be guided to another page. Now, on this page, click on this help button. Once you click on the help button, you'll be further guided to another page. Now, on this page, you'll have to click on this report a problem option. A pop-up will appear. On that pop-up, click on the report a problem option. Now, you'll be guided to another page where you'll have to explain your error. So, type in "my feed is not refreshing. Please fix it as soon as possible," and then click on the submit button on the top right corner of your screen. You can do not now on this. Now your report has been submitted to Instagram. Instagram will review it and your error will be fixed as soon as possible. Now there is another method you can do. Now what you have to do is open up the settings menu on your device, which will guide you to your settings page. Scroll down and find the apps option and then click on the manage apps option. You'll be guided to another page. On this page, search for the Instagram app like this, open it up, and on the bottom of your screen you'll see three options: force stop, uninstall and clear data. Click on the clear data button and then click on clear cache and confirm it. This has removed all the excess data from your Instagram and it might fix your error that has occurred. Now, if both of the methods didn't work for you, you can simply long press on the Instagram app, uninstall it and reinstall it again. I hope this video helped you to fix your error of the feed not refreshing on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.